Welcome to Gulf Media. No fireworks at Burj Khalifa this New Year's Eve. There will be no fireworks at Burj Khalifa on December 31st, officials announced on Wednesday. The fireworks, which attract visitors from all across the world, will be replaced with a special light show. Dubai-based master developer Ramaha, which owns and operates the Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Mall, has organized a unique light show to ring in the new year. This My Dubai New Year is nothing like you've seen before. Get ready for a groundbreaking show as we light up 2018 in downtown Dubai, Imar said. They shows the words the 1st of January 2018 glow in neon blue lights. No New Year 2018 fireworks at Dubai's JBR. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.